Eb and May. Hello. Let's learn about classroom objects. Part 1. Beginner-level vocabulary building. Pencil. Pencil. Pen. Pen.
Book. Book.
Chair. Chair. Table. Table. Desk. Desk. Bag. Bag. Paper. Paper. Let's play a game. What is this?
Book.
What is this? Bag. Crayons. Crayons. Colored pencils. Colored pencils. Eraser. Eraser. Ruler. Ruler. Scissors. Scissors. Glue stick. Glue stick. Clock. Clock. Good job! Now can you identify these classroom objects? What is this? Scissors. What are these? Colored pencils. What is this? Table. What is this? Eraser. What is this? Pencil. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and watch out for part 2.